Good morning, children. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. See here, everybody will have one's own capability or capacity. So this is in general. Whereas in case of our specified chapter called electrostatics, there also a capacity. But this capacity is different from in a regular usage. So can anybody define with your own specific knowledge what is meant by capacity? Anyone?
Energy.
Can add?
So if we do that, if we do anything, that is your capacity, they will say no, sir, like that.
Sir, capacitor is a device to store electrical energy.
Superb, Manadip. Capacity is a device which stores electrical energy. Is it only electrical energy? Srihita, you raised your hand. Srihita. Srihita. Okay, any other? It will only stores electrical energy or any other also it will store.
No, sir. Sir, any another energy also it will store, sir.
Superb. It will also stores not energy, it will stores charge. So capacitor is a device which stores charge and as well as electric energy, both. Is that okay, clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then if two electric plates are separated by a small distance, what you can call this arrangement is called
Parallel plate.
Parallel plate.
parallel plate capacitor. Krishnateja, very good, beta. So now let's start today's session. Capacitor and
Capacitors.
Capacitance.
Capacity and capacitors.
yes, this is what your topic title today, what you are going to learn.
Okay, sir.
Abhida, what is your idea on this slide?
Capacitor, it is a device used to store electric charge and energy. It consists
Okay,
of two parallel metal plates which are separated by a distance.
very
And
good.
the charge stored is directly proportional to the difference between the plates, potential difference between the plates.
Okay,
And charge is equal to capacitance into potential difference.
very good, beta. So what is the main theme of this concept is capacitor is a device which stores electric charge and energy, and it consisting of two plates which are separated by equidistance. And the most important point is the charge stored in a capacitor is directly proportional to the potential difference applied. So that is given here. Q is proportional to V. Q, if you remove the proportionality, Q is equal to
C into V.
C into V. What is C called? Here they given.
Capacitance.
Good beta. C is called capacitance. Then what is the formula of C from here? If Q is equal to CV, what is the formula of C?
Q by V.
Q by V.
Q by V. And what is the symbol of capacitor? Two parallel plates.
Two parallel.
What is the symbol of capacitor beta? Two parallel.
Plate.
Two parallel plane.
Very good, Nana. Next, I think Sloka. Sloka, are you there, beta? Okay. What is the formula of C as it is given? C is equal to
Q by V.
Q by V.
Q by V.
By V.
The charge is measured in coulomb
Coulomb per volt.
Volt
and
or
potential
farad.
Or
is
farad.
measured in volt.
Volt.
Then coulomb per volt is called farad, as a honorable
Sir.
Michael Faraday. On his name, we given a specific unit for capacitance is farad.
Farad.
On the honorable of Michael Faraday, the scientist's name. And remember, children, farad is the largest unit of capacitance. Farad is the largest unit of capacitance. In the slide, we can also see there what is 1 microfarad is equal to
10 power
10
minus
power
6
minus
farad.
6 farad.
10 power minus 6.
10 power minus 6 farad. What is 10 to the power of minus 12 farad is equal to
1
Picofarad.
picofarad.
1 picofarad. Very good. So a capacitor is represented by the symbol. Either you can have two equal parallel plates or
One straight and
one straight and
and
one
a curve.
cross plate.
Yes, sir.
Both are equal to capacitors. What you are finding on the right side picture, beta?
Sir, various types of capacitors.
For
sir.
various capacitors.
Different type of
Various
capacitor.
types of capacitors. Very good, Pranit. Pranit, can you say what is that red color marked one?
Yeah,
Indicate
sir. Yeah,
this
sir.
one.
It is the sir. It is the value. It is the storage, sir. Capacitor energy. How much
Yeah,
it can
capacitor
store?
value. How much it is? Can you say how much it is?
4700, sir.
4,700. What is their continuation?
microfarad.
Farad.
Microfarad. Krishnadaya, very good. 4,700 microfarad.
Farad.
Done, beta. The next is the right side picture. What is the difference between these two? I think it is Navdeep.
As in the capacitance, we have two equal lines of two equal parallel lines which represent capacitance, and
Very
down
good.
we have one larger and one smaller line which represent battery.
Battery. Very good, beta. So can you figure out what is there in capacitance of an isolated spherical conductor, Navdeep?
Sir, can you repeat again, please?
What is the capacitance of an isolated spherical conductor? They given one conductor, a sphere. How do you calculate capacitance of an isolated sphere?
Yes, sir. Suppose we have the concentration of charge Q in the center of sphere.
Good.
As we know, V equal to Q by 4 E naught E epsilon naught R, and C
Okay.
equal to Q by V. Then we can
Okay.
write C equal to 4 pi E epsilon naught R.
That's correct, beta. 4 pi epsilon naught R. So from this, what we conclude, first point is, so in the formula, P is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught R. So in this, capacitance is directly proportional to the radius,
Radius.
and this formula is valid for hollow and solid
Hollow
sphere.
and solid.
Solid sphere.
And what is the capacitance of the earth? They given fourth point,
711 microfarad.
7 microfarad.
711 microfarad. So children, let me check how do we get that 711 microfarad. So we know the capacitance of an isolated sphere. Is Earth is sphere or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So Earth is spherical in shape. Then what is the formula? C is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught R, which is
Yes, sir.
equal to 4 pi epsilon naught value is 1 by
9 into 10
9
power
into 10 power
9. R is the radius of the earth. Radius of the earth is 6,400 kilometers.
kilometers.
Then what do you get? 64 by 9 is 7.11
Into 10 power
into
minus
10 power minus 4. Am I right, beta? On rearranging, finally we get it as 711 if I write into 10 power
minus 6 farad.
minus 6. Then that will be written as 711
Microfarad.
Microfarad.
microfarad. So in this way, we can find the capacitance of an isolated sphere. An example for Earth capacitance is 711 microfarad. Can I expect from anybody to repeat? How did we calculate it? Anyone?
Sir,
Yeah,
Right.
we calculated by the formula.
little bit louder. Your voice little bit louder.
Sir, we calculated by the formula C equals to 4 pi epsilon naught R.
Very good.
Sir, in Earth, 4 pi epsilon naught equals to 1 by 9 into 10 power 9. Radius
Very
of
good.
Earth is 6400 kilometers. So we should measure in meters. So we kept 10 power 3.
Okay.
If we simplify, we will get 1.11 into 10 power minus 4.
Okay.
If we write 711, we should
Into
write
10 power.
711 into 10 power minus 6.
That minus
So,
6, how I written?
Microfarad, 711 microfarad.
That is the capacitance of the earth. Children, is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tanvita? Tanvita? She is not there today?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Manideep?
Sir.
Yeah. What is this slide information?
Sir, principle of a capacitor.
Yeah. So what did you understand by seeing it?
Sir, first there are two parallel plates.
Okay. Parallel
Sir, there
plates.
is.
What are
Sir,
their
there is.
names? What are
Sir,
their
A
names?
and B.
Okay, A and B. Yeah.
The A is positively charged and B is neutral.
Very good, beta. A is positively charged and B is neutral. Very, very good. Next.
Sir, yes, sir. Then the plate B is brought near to the positive charged plate.
Yeah. When a plate B is brought near to the plate A, what happens?
So the charges are induced into B.
Yeah. What kind of charge is induced?
So positive.
Positive or negative? See the picture.
Negative.
Negative charge is
Negative, sir,
induced.
negative. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next step, what they did?
Sir, then the potential of system A and B in step 1 and step 2 should cancel out because both are positive and negative.
Fine. No. Next
Sir,
step, what they did? What is this
uh,
circle indicates?
sir, everything has happened for the positive plate B.
Plate B. Plate B, they made as earthing. Once they made plate B as earthing, what happens? The negative charge shifts towards outside and it is
Outside.
given to the earth. Then whole B will become
Negative, sir.
Negative, sir.
negatively charged. So this
Yes, sir.
kind of system is called what?
Principle.
Capacitor.
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 Two parallel plates. One is positively charged and other one is
Neutral.
negatively charged. Not neutral. Initially it is neutral, but after
Sir,
charging,
after happening, it
one
is
will become positive, the other one will become
negative.
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 Parallel
What is
plate
this?
capacitor.
Sir, parallel plate capacitor.
Very good. Who is
Sir.
this?
Sir, Krishna Teta.
Krishna Teja. Very
Sir.
good.
Sir, parallel plate capacitor is arrangement of two parallel conducting plates. Sir. That the two
Very good.
plates are separated by a medium, insulating medium, that may be air, paper, mica, glass, anything, etc.
Super beta.
But that should be insulating medium.
Hmm.
Sir, we know here we get potential difference by multiplying electric field into
Intensity.
intensity
Distance.
into distance between two plates.
Hmm.
Sir, as the electric intensity and the distance are in same direction, we can write here as a sigma by epsilon naught, sir.
Yeah. What is sigma here? Very good beta. What is
So
sigma?
sigma is density.
Which density?
So charge density.
Yeah. Surface charge density. Very good, Krishna Teja. But you should call
Sir.
clearly surface charge density.
density.
What is the
Sir.
surface charge density formula?
Sir, Q by
Q by A.
A.
So that is V. But what we required, if you want to
C.
calculate C, we required
Capacitance.
Q by
V.
V. So what is the value of Q by V here? Epsilon naught
A
by
by D.
From this,
Sir.
you can clearly conclude what is proportional to what and what is inversely proportional to what. Krishna
Yes,
Teja.
sir. Sir,
Can you conclude?
by this formula we can say capacitance is directly proportional to area area of
Superb.
two plates,
Very good.
and
Next.
inversely proportional to distance between two plates.
Yeah, everybody remember this point better. If capacitance is directly proportional to area and capacitance is inversely proportional to distance. Fine. Done. So now when they are comparing for a problem doing or problem solving, if I want to compare C1 by C2 in terms of area, Srihita, C1 by C2 in terms of area beta, I should take it here.
A1 by A2.
A1 by A2. In terms of distance,
D2 by D1.
D2 by D.
D2 by D1. Very good beta. But for the same, if you are comparing the new one with old one, for instance, C2 by C1 if I take, this will become
A2 by A1. D1
A2 by
by
A1 and this will become
D1 by D2.
D1 by D2.
very good children, very good children, very good response. I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now here we are taken only the air gap. Suppose instead of air gap, if I have placed a dielectric slab, instead of air gap, if I place a dielectric slab, what happens to it? Shall we find it? So that is called effect of dielectric slab in parallel plate capacitor. Who will explain? Anyone come forward?
Okay.
Yeah, Abida, you can.
We know that V is equals to E into D.
Okay, we know V is equal to E into D. Very good, beta. Potential is equal to electric field into distance. Very good.
As dielectric slab is introduced, we should minus the thickness from the distance. So E into D minus T plus En into T.
Good. You may take like this also, no beta. V is equal to E naught, initial electric field at a distance D minus T, plus
Yes, sir.
E into thickness T. So as we know, E naught is as it is, no change, but E can be written as E naught
E naught by K.
K, where K is dielectric constant. Now if I take E naught common from both,
D minus T.
D minus T plus T by K.
super. Now in formula, as we know, V is equal to E into D. In place of D, what is there? Remember this.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the formula of parallel plate capacitor? C is equal to
Q by V.
epsilon naught A by D for parallel plate. But here now new distance is what? Epsilon naught A by, what is the new distance?
D minus T
D minus T
plus T plus
plus
K.
T
T by K.
by K.
D minus T plus T by K.
Yes, sir.
So here in the denominator value we have minus beta. That indicates what? When we introduce a dielectric slab, capacitance will increase or decrease. Minus is there in denominator.
Sir.
Yeah.
It increases, I think, sir.
Increases.
Very good, Anand. Capacitance increases. That conclusion written here you see.
Yes, sir.
As you introduce the slab, the capacitance will increases. What happens, beta?
Increases.
Increases.
Okay. So this slide, Abhi, what is this slide indicating, beta?
It indicates when a physical charge is when a physical quantity is there, and
Yes.
whether the value will be increased or decreased when the batteries are disconnected and batteries are connected.
Okay, I'll ask specifically. Whoever is there, please respond.
Yeah,
Pranit,
sir.
what happens to the charge when battery is disconnected?
Sir, disconnector remains the same, sir.
Very good, beta. Remains the same. Nadeep, what happens to
Yes, sir.
capacitance when a battery is connected?
Connected increases, sir.
Very good, Nana. What happens to the electric field, Srihita, when a battery is connected?
Connected, it remains same.
Very good, brother. It remains same. What happens to the potential difference when battery is disconnected? Krishna Teja,
Sir, decreases the potential.
potential decreases. What happens to the energy stored when a battery is disconnected? Any girl? Sloka?
That is not there.
Srija?
Sir, remains the same.
Remains the same. Okay, very good boy. So these are the points. I want to know how to you read in words K is equal to C by C naught. How can you read this better? How can you read that?
Constant equals to capacitance by
The electric constant is nothing but capacitance with medium by, it's a ratio of capacitance with medium by capacitance
Not.
without medium.
Yes.
Okay, now can everybody say ratio of what and what? Manideep?
Capacitance by
Capacitance without medium to the capacitance.
with medium.
With medium.
Very good, beta. Very, very. Are you able to see the screen what I am doing?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the actual capacitance beta. So when we connect it to a battery, so that will begin. What are those blue colors? The blue color is positive charge and the red color balls are negatively charged.
Negative charge
Negative
particles.
Charge.
Yeah, so for that plate, there is a positive charge and negative charge. Blue color indicates positively charged and red color indicates
Negative.
Negatively charged.
negatively charged. So if you have a single plate, what happens? Positive charge will increase.
Yes, sir.
And at an instant, plus and plus, both are same charges, so they undergo repulsive force and they'll go back.
Yes, sir.
So instead of that, if I bring one more neutral plate, okay, there is a charge body plus, but if you bring one more neutral plate near to it, like as shown, what happens? Electrons can accumulate the other side. That is what happening. The positive charge of one plate is shifted to the positive charge of the second plate, and by doing the earthing, the total positive charge is going and only the red color is remaining. Are you seeing the figure, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes. The red
Yes,
color
sir.
balls are more in second plate. Left side plate, right side plate. In right side plate, you observe electrons are becoming more, red color balls are becoming more as these are shifted. And this kind of an arrangement is called what? Two parallel plates separated by equal distance is called what?
Parallel plate.
Parallel plate.
Capacitor.
Parallel.
What do you call?
Capacitor.
Parallel plate capacitor.
Parallel plate. Not simply you can call it as a capacitor. Already they are parallel. That's what you can call them as capacitor.
Capacitors.
So in capacitor, one is positively charged, the other one is
Negative charge.
negatively charged. What happens if we increase the external force? Or if we increase the plate, what happens to the charge? See, I increase the electromotive force, the battery. Then more amount of positive charge is stored in first plate. That creates what? Repulsive force. That creates what? Repulsive force. So because of repulsive force, again all electrons are going out and few electrons are entering inside again. But that time the net charge will become 0. Equal amount of positive charge, equal amount of negative charge. There will be no use by doing that process. So what is meant by capacitor? Two plates which are separated by
Equidistant.
equidistant.
Equal distance.
Now one more, will they have surely equal area?
Yeah. See there, when voltage increases, amount of charge stored also increases. So that they can show as capacitor is now charged when it is connected to the bulb. As shown in the figure, when it is connected to the bulb. And see, the battery connection is disconnected. Am I right, children?
Yes,
There is
sir.
no battery connection. Battery connection is removed. Now this one is connected to the battery. How they are connecting the battery? Yeah, now they connected. What happened? Is the bulb is glowing?
Yes, sir.
When the bulb is glowing, capacitor, what is happening? Capacitor discharged. Initially it is charged, now it is.
Discharge.
Do you understand from here?
Yes, sir.
Done. So, what we learned today?
Capacitors and capacitors.
Yeah, the topic name is capacitor and capacitance. A quick review are a few small questions. I hope everybody can answer. Abida, what is a symbol which is used to denote capacitor?
Two parallel lines
Done.
or a one straight line and a curved line.
Yeah, what is a symbol letter which is used to denote capacitance? Srihita.
F.
What is a SI unit of capacitance? Navdeep.
Farad.
Farad. Very good. What is the formula of capacitance? Sashwin. Sashwin, respond. Okay. Satvik Panjala. Prasan, respond. Rishikesh, respond.
Sir, Q equal to C.
Q is equal to CV. From that, what is C beta?
Sir, capacitance.
Capacitance. Krishna Teja,
Sir,
why did they given Farad unit? To honor?
scientist Farad.
Yeah. Sai Vignesh, what is the capacitance of the earth? As earth is a sphere, what's the value? Sai Vignesh.
Sir,
Yeah. What is the capacitance? Now the you can.
Sir, 711 microfarad.
Yes, sir.
Very good. 711 microfarad. Very good. What is the formula of parallel plate capacitance? Krishna Teja. R. Sumit. Anyone? Ashwin, Sai Vignesh, yeah. C is equal to? What is the formula for capacitance? Yeah, Krishna Teja, you can.
QI is equal
C is equal to epsilon